Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really special to review for you. If you're in the market for a new pair of wireless earbuds, then you're in for a treat. Say hello to the original Lenovo LP5 wireless Bluetooth earbuds. These earbuds are not your average pair. They're perfect for sports and workouts, with a waterproof design that can handle even the toughest sweat sessions. But that's not all. The hi-fi music quality will blow your mind. You'll be able to feel the beat and hear the bass like never before. And the best part? These earbuds come with a built-in mic, so you can take calls on the go without missing a beat. The convenience of wireless earbuds combined with the functionality of a hands-free headset, what's not to love? So, why should you consider investing in a pair of original Lenovo LP5 wireless Bluetooth earbuds? Well, for starters, they provide an unparalleled audio experience that will take your music and workouts to the next level. Plus, with their waterproof and sweatproof design, you can trust that they'll keep up with your active lifestyle. But the real game changer here is the price. These earbuds are an absolute steal for the quality you're getting. Don't miss out on the chance to upgrade your audio game without breaking the bank. So, if you're ready to take the plunge and experience the magic of the original Lenovo LP5 wireless Bluetooth earbuds, make sure to check out the link in the description to grab a pair for yourself. Trust me, you won't regret it. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to stay tuned for more awesome reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.